here is my algebra homework. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of algebra just to help you. It's one side, and it's going to be so much fun because I'm going to teach you how to do the nacho. Also, you could also do the balance. I do both of them. Yesterday we kind of did more of like the hands-on equations, which was my favorite one. And so when you're doing it on paper, it's a little harder to do without the cubes and the little pongs. And so, and I usually do the nacho on paper. So I'm going to take a picture of what this looks like so you guys can see it. Okay, I'm just going to try the subtraction later. Okay, let me see if there's any more subtraction. Okay, so we're going to try 2 multiplication, and then we're going to go on to the division, my favorite. So, 6 W's scrammed up to each other, which means multiply, equals 72. So I'm going to put that at the bottom so you can see that. So I'm going to write that in my nacho. 6W equals 72. Okay? So when we're rewriting the problem in the nacho, we can just use like a dot for multiplication or parentheses. So we are just going to put, well actually, and since I don't know W, I don't need to put it in parentheses yet. But when I actually get my answer of what W equals, I'm going to go back, put my whatever the unknown is in parentheses, and multiply. So 6 times W equals 72. So for this problem, you go like this: 72 divided by 6 equals 12. So 72 divided by 6. Ah, you can see the camera. Okay, 72 divided by 6 equals 12. So, that was easy, and since we used my calculator. So we're going to put this in the nacho. So, nacho, nacho, right there, right there. On my camera, it's like totally the opposite. Okay, so we're gonna do 6. You could do a dot. You could do in parentheses 12 equals 72. So we're gonna try that out. 6 times 12 equals 72. So W equals 12. So okay. So we're going to do another multiplication, and then we're going to do 2 division, and then there's more at the bottom. Yeah, which are kind of mixed with adding and subtracting. Okay. Okay, let's see here. 15 divided by, nope. 15 times Q equals 60. So again, we can just divide 60 divided by 15 equals 4. Okay, so we're just going to put the 4 to the side because we're going to need it later. Well, we're going to need it now actually, but anyway. So we're going to do 15 in parentheses 4. I'm going to put the the algebra equation down there so you guys can see it. So 15 divided by 4, no, times 4, sorry, equals 60. So 15 times 4 equals 60. Woohoo! So 4 is my final answer for number 6. Okay. Okay. Let me set up the next problem. Okay, so my next problem is gonna again go down there so you guys can see it. So it's 1/8 times e equals 7. So 1/8 means to divide. So 1/8. No, I mean like 1 divided by 8 equals 0.125. Okay. And so we times that by e, and we get 7. I don't know how we get 7 without a decimal, but okay, I'm just gonna try the division later. Okay, division is my favorite, but it's kind of hard. So, and that's what I like about it. So I'm just gonna trim this part out. Okay. So our next problem is again gonna be down there so you guys can see it. So a plus 14 equals 20. Write that at the top of your nacho. Oh, very skinny nacho, darn it. Okay, just write that at the top of your nacho. Okay. So 20 minus 14 equals 6. Okay. So a equals 6, but we gotta check it. So 6, so replace the variable, or I think it's called the variable. Okay, replace the unknown, because I'm not sure. Replace the unknown with 6. So 6 plus 14 equals 20. So 6 plus 14 equals 20. So it equals 6. Okay. Okay. So that equals 6. Yay. Let's set up the next problem. Okay. So we replace. Oh wait. So the problem. Okay, just always remember that the problem is always going to be right there. Okay. Okay, it's always going to be right there so you guys can see it. Okay. Sometimes it's going to be like right over here because that's where I point. Wherever I point, I put the thing. Okay. So if I point right here, I'm going to put it in the middle. Okay, so let me just put it in the middle so you guys can see it. It's going to be right there. Okay? B plus 18 equals 34. This problem is simple. 34 minus 18 equals B. Use our calculator, okay? I mean, like, it equals the unknown. Okay? Equals 16. Okay? So we replace the unknown with 16. So b plus, no, wait, 16 plus 18 equals 34. Okay. Yep, it equals 34. So the answer is 16. Okay, let me set up my next problem. The problem is down there, so you can start solving. X S minus 12 equals 18. 18. So, this is another subtraction one. So, I don't know how you'd figure this one out. 18 minus 12. Equals 6. So, we can't do 6 minus 12. That just won't make sense. So, so it has to be higher than 12, of course. It has to be higher than its own number. I should say greater than its own number. So it should be greater than 12. Let's just do 15. No. Let's try like 30 or something. Let's try 30. 30 minus 18. Wait. Minus 12. Oh, that's interesting. That doesn't always happen. 30 minus 12 is 18. So I basically just guessed. So we replace the S with 30. So 30 minus 12 equals 18. So the answer is 30. That was interesting. Let me set up my next problem. My problem is down there, so you can start solving. H minus 15 equals 9. Okay, so again, you're going to have to use a little bit of guessing, okay? That was kind of just a coincidence that I guessed the number 30 right, but we'll just try again and see what happens. So, H minus 15 equals 9. Okay, so we're just going to need to take a number higher than 15, so let's take 20. So 20 equals minus 20 minus 15 equals 5. Okay, so 24 minus 15 equals 9. So let's replace, we just did that. 24 minus 15 equals 9. So it equals 24. Okay, so multiplication again, 13 and 14. Let me get my next problem ready.